idea way you fit AGYAPADE document.
Okay.
First of all, a lot of people thought say it was a fiction. But you can't say fiction. I idea any no yes, it be funny say it was a dream. It be funny say it was concocted.
Yeah.
It be funny say it was an allegation. But I'm telling you today, Obi will tell me don't joke with this particular document.
AGYAPADE book no.
Don't ever joke with it.
Say, enipa bi a omo no eye na asante na party no na hwam no. Omo no na wo se ye book no bi de koma wo. Na se wonim kan kora minim se ne ba ko school.
Yeah.
Na o ma ne bankan. Wo nchire mo nchire. No mfa ntoto de ekoso wo oba yi mu. Se saa na yesi ye pe no
a. Yeah.
And to what mu ye critically. Meaning say some nkofo na na obi a governor, obi a first deputy governor. They believe in the cause of this AGYAPADE. They are in bed with this kind of people.
Okay.
So before say they were coming into power, because
yeah,
we are going to appoint you to be the governor of the Bank of Ghana.
Okay. Yasa shemu biem ene a classical match between FRANKO and afin so no ZITO. Ye be shemu say dia na timi say Ghana nsema ekoso. Niema amanfo dodo na entimi enka no. Niema amanfo dodo na enyamu nchiremu no. Ene ye ne mpanimfo akukudam mienu ebehia omo adie kom. Ye nyina ye wa ha se ye besua ade. Wonso wa adwenkyire bi a obetimi agya e wo comment section no ase na ade behia biem no yetimi adi emu enkomo. Yakubon show biara no onyam kese onyimu free adumu enko adumu na mekai mo say Dubai tour no ade se ebeba so pa mo amofrefre ye ne Yakubon onhyira mo FRANKO ZITO timu no ye bebɔ modern senke betimi akopie mu ewo ho nti so wo support bia nso a obetimi e dia support timu no na ye nyina nso no yetimi aye na bibia nso no etimi akoso Mr. Kuffour EXPÓЩÈÉ Yakubon onhyira o me no ka say Ambassador TV studio no kakra before say beto aba ne de na kyerese studio no bibia etimi akoso bibiara wo support bia nso no Yakubon onhyira mo na onyamo kase nyimu fi adumu enko adumu ye ne ZITO ana afin so no FRANKO ehia ene nkomo ho ohwe mpanimfo emienu a obi akura ni papers ne niema ko ebi kura constitution no na ebi nso ekura AGYAPADE book a ene ye bedo AGYAPADE book no emu enkomo ye pa ZITO na aboko de
nyame ado mboko
niema ekosai
bibia da kwa
ya da Yesu Kristo na se be kwai ene afuom
bibia ade a chen ya kasa ye de
na so se niema ekoso medase FRANKO
Menu akwadwo
opanyi kase
menua
na niema ekosai
nyame adaroma ndiri se ho ye
eja minya so na mehumu sei dia na timi se enije na aye soronko na niema ekosai
nyame adom kwadwo bibia boko minim se no fa se na no timi tie budget ni bi amere na ho
budget no se budget
ni be so bad kwadwo
emu nsem no
o ye Ghana ni a o bompire mo man Ghana because the way and how things are going we are going into a serious ditch. No kasai Ghana of a debt stock is 742 billion Ghana cedis. Yes. Timer fin 1957 baba basi 2016 59 years of independence.
Okay.
Na Ghana ke dey 122 billion.
122 billion.
Kuffour EXPÓЩÈÉ and Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. They cost 742. Oh, offer. Media theoretical, theory, and practical. No, let's be objective. Let's be sincere. Offer young kind of credit. Where? Osha. Kuffour EXPÓЩÈÉ could detour the neck of the new patriotic party. Go and listen to the no hint. Was say, one conditional clause. Thank you. Conditional clause for the buy and say. Or no, when it comes to the economy, we need knowledge about the economy.
Original platform so class.
Or say Bawumia being where economy.
Yeah.
Bawumia na stabilize the economy and the way FRANKO Kuffour. And she say chin on the Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. Kwadwo, and offer care dynamic. Say once offer at the can maintenance. No be no maso my can come. Offer beka say ebia kwadwo na efuta na ye. Say once a can san say bi no one the ba no one kasa bet na ho so wo hwese oba be ye. That's when me anya can. The meaning say that do the can ba no. E yenkrofo na ye can the mount.
And
yes.
Okay.
If you look at the economy and the run it in the Kuffour, almost say it wasn't even the governor who was able to stabilize the economy.
Okay.
Tim Bimo. Of I'm saying governor no. Almost the deputy governor, Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, he was able to stabilize the economy and the Orefene John Ajekun Kuffour. They didn't even give credence and respect to the governor of the Bank of Ghana. Almost Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia.
Deputy Mumode,
yes,
fans in the command.
And then Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia is the head of the Economic Management Committee of Ghana. And I don't say, dollar is around 16 Ghana cedis. One mama was on. At this time, 4.2. It was between 3.5, 3.6.
Yeah, 3.8.
Thank you. Yes. And it's also my within this frame. It was between 3.5, 3.6. When John Mama left office, it was 4.2 to $1. And Kuffour said, yeah. A lot of Ghanaians registered their displeasure to the NDC. Civil societies occupy Ghana and Kuffour baby. I'm saying economy in Yaso. Kodoma men cancer munchero. Obi obey demonstration. Be leader be on personal interest.
Obi away demonstration.
I'm telling you.
How you leader be?
I'm telling you. Go and check and Kuffour no more occupy Ghana. One, Kuffour he was a leader.
Yeah.
Kuffour no he has been the substantive minister for finance and a cabinet minister for about 6 to 7 years.
7 years.
Yeah.
Or Kuffour wo for you data bank in it there. Oba send so e na Japan document I will reveal certain things to you. Sa papa no occupy Ghana no come. Oba ben of which ma boa me. Papa George Anda and even saying okay say papa you copy who to senya ho ba bia. He was an MPP MP. And your friend say Anda.
George Anda.
Wa ye adwuma wo MTN sa companies. He was part of them. One being deputy minister for communication, deputy minister for trade. Kwadwo Aponkoma, he was part of this occupy Ghana. And then Kwadwo Aponkoma be deputy information minister, a substantive information minister, a cabinet minister, works and housing minister. Asa na person mo ka kire. And to be a year sa no man na obia won a personal interest, a personal agenda. Nipa ntimi achieve wi a esankoma na yire e wo japade document. Esankoma of up nipa ba ko na om se lawyer. Oye astute, wa ben he was able to attack the NDC. He pointed them left, right, Esankoma. And them no say MPP are by your mama in position. Internet, what to occupy Ghana be? Over.
Let my vote count to Nina.
Never ever die for any politician. Every politician has his own personal interest. Ghana, politician be on a personal interest. If you die for any politician, you die at your own risk. Because Nipan wagi kitana or model this kind of politics.
Zito, with the Franco Dinka de Urem Kakra on the budget, no, a car Ghana dear or more demonstrations a hodua ene or mukra appointment a casentia or more aka or mano atum. Zito, ye nim commona, you are in rat a japadi bookunim.
You dear tell sir, a dear de come young concoche yet for near her. Wouldn't him or mine not yet, because Paul Crack catch the room and for said the air. So be a baba can be before Frobia say any pan was so many.
Okay.
Any pan be almost some home here. One more penny, my dear, woman chidima.
Okay.
And no woman fat a coin be so a day be a share in the pebble trim.
Okay.
It's the woman ye be an sound of one year, be a show woman trim. Woman, the woman support.
Okay.
A dear Nebema will be a $1 a go 4 cities. Near say, and yet.
Or you're incompetent.
You're incompetent.
Yeah.
Then they call 15, 3, 11, 12. I call 17. No more call Jessica, dear baby him. Now, a sort of ya, yes, a moment.
About 15, I said,
about 14.
Yeah.
You Justin could be a secretary.
Was so my
moment, 7 year dear. Now, the Bianamica says, yeah, baby, I need be you the good Hakrani Epra. A dear nature say, I had. One wama de na kosoro ene wasan ede ai na womu nye womu adwene se enema nyankopon de acheyen womu befa ede aye bibia enti kanu an wo mbaburagu ye ho because ye nya running mate ansan wo beba no say even presidential candidates na ye do womu election ye hwe de wo de no kobesen abo a ubenya bi ena ono so ye MPP nti kire so ogidi se mamu baumia de wo de no kobesen abo a ubenya bi ena say wono so asan ba be kan ho nti hwe de afutuo no de be ma no
bosiana
enti e ka no da ho no se ya no manwa mamfo amwa ame ya anye ne ansesan ban no a dan say yes se be you know me so Ghana for obi aka be wa na etemile se yes ne nam 2 something.
250 million.
We had the cut 25,000 Ghana.
Na me to obi dia. Me to obi dia. So it is a say ya de yebekọ no a kodwo me se de ye madwere ho ba ko a me de da bia ya da me kan se me ma me akue cha anko school jama P4
Yeah.
wono no tip one wo de na saase ma ye me ncha no ni nipa na chemu 50-50
Yeah.
wo ye 20 acres ne de 10 wo ye kan se 7 acres ne de 3.5 na ye nya enimdefo akrachefo a bi kura ko bobom digra burichire no na bade o man agapade ko mo pi om se ye beje 3%.
Ya kwaja beto.
Enipa nso se ye moye nsem masa nkofo yi na akoso me se ye mfa buzia ne Kwame Nkrumah mu nyina ngu nchen ye de Fourth Republic yi de from 1992 no e de yetimi kamu asem akrachefo ye de o man ye hye wo mo nsa bepem sabre e de na asesa obi atimi ahyehye ne manya to say se adwuma mu obi akopira ana yade bi aka no ye hunu se wo ntimi nya adwuma biem.
Sa accident bi na asie bi Ghana the accident mi si na ye twi obi na
e sa accident wa no wo adwuma no mu ano ayale aye fi se wo ntimi mma adwuma no mu biem se sika wo se ye de ma so de bedidie no mu de e de emo eno kura anya ho wo kura wo ho oden na emom na ebi a wo company bi nti na adwuma na sai wo ba bi a betimi akoya no mu adwuma sai o bi odi bedidie de ma enonom ne de ye nkan na emom so obi ba begina ho no mu a na wo se anwan kwantatu ayi kwan president bi aba wo bi kwan no ayi achievement ye moye nsem man e kwan ye da ho dada no a wo bi mu no ayi achievement etisa ye me se ye enum no saa no mbeye saa no mo be se ya ntena se ansese ehu se nkofo yi e kwan ye wo mo de nam so yi eye mfutu kwan o we nya asphalt se ye mfutu kwan ti ka no ye mforo ne ye yadwene se de o mane champon obone yem waje ntirimi no onam a se o waba otimi baba tira radio so won de na sanche se o mane champon pese ye nkyere se wo ya santini di apart from MPP woni hu kwan so okoto aba mu obi na la nkyere mate nya santini no oba contest nim kwabena ge Japan won ka ho boache gya ko ye die ni sankofo we nyina kan wo mu free akan ayi edie be campaign no mane champon otimi ye de ma wo ya afa die waba betie si kurom se kire se eye musuo kura so obi be kwakoto aba ma party foforo da party no se nkonkoto aba ma na so ye to aba ma party anase ye to aba ma obi for development that say to man because of say don hwe eniema don mama ye wo mu ntimi nya 30% kura wa Ashanti region but ye hwe development on the say development na wo mu ntimi de ba mo MPP for so to mo so kura mo ntimi anye say development mu so kura 30% development no me say o marisha ko kokotwa ayi a me hunu ye no me yem kura hye me say afari hospital no eyi kuromu enugu ho wo no kura ye nto abama no no mane chambo mi bisa se ye to abade ma obi se omra meboa ye me abrabo mu nsesa na se ye to abama obi se wo de do a na ye do nti ye to abama no
Zito ye nwura mu wo japade book no I think say Franco dia you ready
Zito say Franco no e de ye beko
yeah Franco utim say ene no ye ko ye say ne ye wura hene
Kwadwo
na be be ye wura no wo book ni bia no wabie wo de na
de di kan
ye nyina ye sua de
mesa
kasa na obi anso wo ayi no se wo hia wo frɛ ambassador e be di PDF no be no
they say person hu ade o they say wo na wo ye the distributor of AGYAPADE documents na
o say
waja to ho so ana say
o hwa santifo bu bebe o se nkwan e de e na twe akonwa kop no se wo yire ye nkwan na de pa ado nsa bom na wo ye nti a wo hu se da afi wo be pini hu
watima adidi okay ni say se me tiade na sa na say offer he is going to be the convener and distributor of AGYAPADE document
yeah the PDF no be ma
na wa copy okay Franco
Kwadwo
Franco enye say ebi eye ebi obi adwene be ye ne say yabo ye tiri
and he did true
because you the me can say bi a chero o mane champon
yes
so nim say ne nwum bitabita
o fan say surprisingly on Kwadwo
na sa na nwum no wunim say wono wo deviate wunim Paul Yesu time no Yesu kokoto say ababa bi awu na
Yes,
onya ne no no
yes.
ene o ka se tale takum na o se ase ne se abaya asore
Enye tabita.
enu ye Yesu de no no ena Paul no so kokan nyamesem ba bi na yesi abaya bi na o tempumam na ofiri mpumam teto no na o de tabita
Okay.
no se tabita no so ase ne se wansane eti esono sa tabita we na de ono wo ka no de ye nsem mienu no waka bo we ni Yesu nya ne abaya no ka se tale takum ase ne se abaya asore etu ono babu mu kuro twantro
Kwajo.
Franco.
And therefore they should try to accommodate me because major for when I be I'll be talking a lot. And Kwajo, idea way, you felt a document.
Okay.
First of all, a buy, you know, a lot of people thought say it was a fiction. But you cast a fiction. I idea any no credit. Yes, it be funny say it was a dream. It be funny say it was concocted.
Yeah.
It be funny say it was an allegation. But Kwajo, I'm telling you today, Obibia will tell me don't joke with this particular document. Don't ever joke with it. This thing, it was well rehearsed, calculated, planned, and they're executing it.
But a bad day na idea a well rehearsed plan our mo execute a babeda public domain ama obi
We are seeing Uncle Pompey so go anymore. Ukita Jimboni, and I didn't person any bonia. Nyanko Pon Kobe first obey to media exposing. Because when Mimi Swasem, Yenya Dr. Kwame Nkrumah, Yenya Buzia, Yenya J. Kuffour, Yenya J.J. Rollins, Yenya John Mills, Yenya friend say John Mama. Have you ever heard? So my catcher say Abia, Yababenya Abia Boga Japadi. And I say Yaba catcher say Kumasi Japadi. And I say I say you want Kuffour, they are in the room. Or more than say they should think. They should look into the future and try to make sure say they will siphon and milk Ghanaians money. One was for
na Franco mi bo ye ti hwe na obi aba yesi ZITO ba poanu ZITO me nuanom nyina ate ho yesi ZITO ko ma me jamfu afie wakwa wi ade we me nua bi ankasa me yire wo ho wa ankasa madamfo bi ankasa na nipa no ko ade echi da bia no oba beka ade echi da bia no oba beka ZITO krofo wo kwa ha okoko wi awe ye bo anasa ya
and basically I've not heard any official communique coming from the New Patriotic Party, coming from Kuffour setting this kind of agenda, come to say we are going to rebuttal as Mobieka.
ade so ye that actually the group of Kuffour bi a wo me yeso wo maye
And yes, a section of the Ache mafias. First now come a kind of Ache mafia.
But
A man for be say, if you are breach of former fracas or Musu Yache from Bessere, but some Kuffour a peculiar to a certain kind of family.
Yeah.
Always they want to make sure say they will dominate. Always they want to make sure say Omono be superior, na ye inferior. Okay. Sanity. Now Kwajo, today we are going to the Japadia document.
Okay.
Idea BSc or banking sector Nubiano. It was planned, rehearsed, well calculated, or more executed.
banking sector.
I'm telling you.
Banks are egugu.
Yes.
GN Bank
Right, yes.
in asefo.
Me say,
egugu nyina no.
you planned. They rehearsed it well. They orchestrated it well. And they push it to a certain kind of area. Me we am the be sia simbiswamo. Ene, idea na Japadia documents offer. Bakwa bam last 4 months. A Japadia no. Bakwa bam last 4 months. People should calm down. And they should permit me. They should follow us into this particular journey. Kwajo, way a page 5 offer. Or say way a banking.
Yeah, banking.
Or say the mother in terms of banking. Kwajo say cast the mother is the Bank of Ghana.
Bank of Ghana. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
So na wo nyina.
Thank you, Offer.
I say GPR2 ye mother of all transport unions.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
And Kwajo say cast the mother. The mother is the supervisory unit. Bank of Ghana. Ghana banks in Bank of Ghana. Omo ye supervisory unit. They give directions on authority. Omo roadmap. Omo regulations. In a banks in the edge. And say next year, catch say kwa could be a banker. You should have a minimum capital. It says me the Bank of Ghana. And that's also I know kwa could be a bank. Fair me microfinance for it was around 600,000.
Yeah.
Maybe a 4 billion is no man. Did they have a minimum capital? Bank of Ghana for no. Omo Kuffour ma do na so nya correct. Omo nipa bone for.
Okay.
One, they can come here if they hire bank. Omo ba be serious auditing of omo wi no. Omo unsa bank ni nya na so. But because I dey kito omo dey ba no. Omo muska kakra, they go and report a free and fair. Say adwuma no e konkan. But they are not thinking about sad creditors, debtors nothing.
Okay.
They are thinking of their own personal interest.
Yeah.
And if you look at the supervisory unit, into Obama bag, and I say we should build stronger personalities, not stronger institutions. If you have stronger institutions, and can ZITO will be a bank and Koya, you have a nice way to even help ZITO. Maybe you revamp ZITO. Your money is come find your way. And then say be a bank.
Okay.
But in this AGYAPADE document, it was a plantain. Kwajo, was say control of the mother is essential to the control in the industry.
Okay.
So far, the head of the mother and his first deputy are strongly aligned to our case.
Okay.
Don't person more can I say. If you look
Our course.
yeah. Now, if you look at Bank of Ghana, we have the governor, we have the first deputy governor, the second deputy governor. It so hierarchy of system. It so. Don't person more can I say. If you look at the Bank of Ghana now, and Pennyfair Bank of Ghana, the governor and the first deputy, they are aligned to this AGYAPADE course.
Because what kind to us was it they are from our compound.
Thank you.
Yeah.
And to put them here critically, means as uncle for and will be a governor, will be a first deputy governor. They believe in the cause of this AGYAPADE. They are in bed with this kind of people.
Okay.
So before they were coming into power, because we are going to appoint you to be the governor of the Bank of Ghana.
Okay.
We are going to appoint ZITO to be the first deputy. Some conform anyway, no. They take concrete decisions for the Bank of Ghana.
Okay.
And the assembly of Mekabian is represented finito to your and to your second deputy, it doesn't come in. Now, offer, or say they are from our compound, and we perceive no threat from these two. What do you almost say? Or move from a compound, or move from Fio, or no one never neighbor. And the governor and the first deputy.
Okay.
Or say the second deputy appears to be a gender advocate and is also not a source of discomfort. Now, say the first deputy and the governor, they are in bed with them. Now, Kwajo, if you go to the Bank of Ghana, the governor, Dr. Ernest Addison, he appointed on the 1st of April 2017 up to date. He is the governor of the Bank of Ghana. Now, the first deputy offer, your friend Dr. Masol Opoku Afari, first deputy, he appointed on the 7th of August 2017, still up to date. Enter make us AGYAPADE, don't joke with it. Or say, Nippon or a second deputy, no, or a gender advocate. One, the case of a gender advocate, meaning say they are looking at a male or female.
Yeah.
But when you say, Mamma, or the Nippon or a second deputy, you are. They are saying, you don't say, or a gender advocate. So if you go to the Bank of Ghana, the second deputy, no, your friend Nana Addo, Awazi, second deputy, 2nd February 2018, in your bone. Almost say, cause a discomfort, or more party say, a son say first governor, any first deputy, no more camp, no, some I mean with you
because of Calcabria in room.
Yes, because only a second deputy. Any time be a young fan say, ne, a ambassador TV, or when they see you, or for the first a deputy, I'm second deputy. Assembia ZITO Bekabia carries weights and volumes that made.
Yeah, because what
yes. And sometimes Opio ye first piano, first deputy no, is in close bed and aligned to Oriana or near the governor.
Okay.
Sometimes the governor no equate me promote to be a man about show just because ni pan bet me pana ye juma. And to tia some critically. Mame no or your bar or a second deputy. Or no you be an home heading. And the assembly of Beckham be an offer. Ain't me. Almost say in this vein. There's no need for changes in those places.
Okay.
And I do a kito I'm gonna say. Some call for me, no first deputy ni governor. Because they are in bed with them. Nana Addo Kuffour, he should not die
to change
them. No matter the because of Ghana. What I say economy Nigeria and also, what I say Indian and also, say this guy look them $12 million, which is an illegal thing. Still, offer because they are in their camp, they believe say as a Sankophone, they are fighting for AGYAPADE document because dividends, a best soon after the exit of a Kuffour. In terms of bank, the cash dividends, and fast one, Ebian 1 million woman a woman after the exit of a Kuffour. And it's all Sankophone free war is going to affect them and they cannot get their dividends. Because a Kuffour soon means I will move because it is a case whereby they are pushing. Now, Kwajo, also in this situation, the first deputy would have to be supported to take over. Don't person much say. Say young fan say Ebia, Nippon or governor. Say the time of one and offer ideally and come on your not just a contract extension Ghana.
The people was saying it is however noted that the head is likely to reach retirement age before the end of phase 2.
And China make us say, thank you, Midasi. And China make catch us say, Omunim say, and Chapa Panabeko pension. Because of Philip Addison. ne time no beso no na Kuffour second term no da so ti asem yi na man no ebia ne time beso 2021 Kuffour can go to a second term so be ko second term there there's no need for us to do changes about this particular even if pension catch up with him. It is a pension channel you bet my too diabolic ebia ZITO at this 60 years Ghana yes public sector this 60 years is so but because we want to play it smart and want to achieve our dividends I say ZITO your man contract so say or no na akwa the governor for the Bank of Ghana and of our can it is in it was say in that situation the first deputy would have been supported to take over and it's uncle kwa nipa nke so taking over no should be the first deputy because the first deputy is in bed with the AGYAPADE document was say replacement of the first deputy in such circumstances will not be of Abuamina
replacement of the first deputy in such circumstances would not be by promoting the second deputy into the role of the first.
The person what say ebia papa no kra time so na say Kuffour kra ka so munya ne kwan no nkwa now the first deputy to come and take over as the governor of the Bank of Ghana name Obano the lady is not in bed with them the second deputy on come agenda but to play it smart instead say be promote to mama ya friend EIII amana be first deputy no we will bypass it.
It was a rather a strong Bawumia loyalist should be appointed to the role to further strengthen the Bawumia political cause.
And what now they are not looking at competence. They are not looking at someone who can stabilize the economy.
But they are looking at who they are to achieve
aim.
And to say it blew what else they will bypass it. Secondly, they should look for someone who is a Bawumia loyalist. The person is in bed with Bawumia. The person sit and eat and dine with Bawumia. Obi a Bawumia didn't do it in the yes side way. Bawumia is also aware of this AGYAPADE document. And to play it smart, Mami na nke se promote no, say na nke ye adwuma yi. Na kwadwo as a CEO, obi a be fa akwa buruchire. Nipa no your first deputy no, in terms of hierarchy of system corporate settings, he understands the nitty-gritty about the job. E say this ZITO e ba be so say be oba me governor. Obe so wa automatically do second
e first.
Almost one nyane sa.
Because of abeshim
Mami no is not in bed with them. Adwene on person of fan. Secondly, e so munyo obi a oya Bawumia hu nipa twotwomucho a o te AGYAPADE documents we yase. O met manya dividends no. They push that person into that role.
This in line with protecting the legacy. This is in line with protecting the legacy of Nana. Could enable us to sidestep and further alienate the Kuffour faction.
Thank you. Offer. The person what saying and say the main motive and say AGYAPADE document. We are Santina Wuti, we are Kainina Wuti, special Asante people, maybe a bunny. I want to be open. I want to be blunt here. This document, the main motive was to suppress the Ashantis. What do you think? After saying, again say they want to take control of Ghana, economic
and the
party. The main motive is to suppress the will of the Ashanti. They want to suppress them. They want to tell them say the Achim people are more superior than them. What I say, JB Dankwa. Whether I say Dombo, whether I say Buzia, JB Dankwa now. And if you look at of our kind invitation, I'll say it is the rebirth of JB Dankwa. That's what I make. Almost a book we know. The main motive, and say Nana Addo Kuffour is seen as the rebirth of JB Dankwa. Go and read the history about JB Dankwa. JB Dankwa interest was about the Achim people alone. Now JB all Yebiano should be in conform with that. You always want the Achim people to be superior. And to Utiha. Of a sign kind of him, and I want to explain my test to you.
This is in line with protecting the legacy of Nana. Could enable us to sidestep and further alienate the Kuffour faction.
Was say, at the end, you this kind of idea when you know about this banking is one. They want to protect the legacy of Nana Addo Kuffour. One, they need to be protecting the legacy. He say, Kuffour can still be at home, but Kuffour will be controlling the Ghana banking sector. And Kuffour, Bank of Ghana governor, for more they will bring people who are close to Kuffour and
Kuffour.
Yes. And ZITO will fear, but ZITO ne control ambassadorship. Franko Okwa Kasadi, Okwa must ZITO young popular. ZITO Kasembia can ZITO. And the NPP can be in opposition. The NDC or Afafanto can be in power.
But
thank you, and it is uncle for no. And the policy. And if you are a person of the baby and they will fight against it, then you become too unpopular. Now, Tia, the Ehuma J. Kuffour say, J.A. Kuffour is being cited over here. I must say, they want to alienate the Kuffour fashion. They can't alienator. They want to isolate. Kuffour Babetra say, of Amoka say Simpapani and
Simpapani.
Oh, but he's just a shadow person in the New Patriotic Party. Thank you. So the EIII NPP, they don't give respect to J.A. Kuffour. I'm going to give you an example. Otibonsu de omubutugu. Otibonsu ko pimo J.A. Kuffour fie ni nkomo. J.A. Kuffour placed a call to Bawumia's office. Say Bawumia etukwan. Bawumia na down for pa ne papa ofere ne pa no. Ewe owura ne din ede papa ye friend say the person we ye chief of staff of Federal.
Okay.
Federal. J.A. Kuffour placed a call to Federal. Eka chen so onfre Abu Ramadan. They should discuss the matter. Federal placed a call to Abu Ramadan. Abu Ramadan catch so need time to even listen to the matter. One, J.A. Kuffour some years back, he was very influential in the party of Kasman Biafra.
Yeah.
But the man is just a shadow vice president, a shadow MPP person of Kasman Munti. And no be non person this
shadow former president.
Thank you. Wow. Now, Kwajo, or say the biological children. Okay,
before the Bahono, me and call ZITO. Before Franco Beba,
second,
yes, second issue, no.
Me the say. Enipa bi a omo no eye na asante na party no na hwam no omo no na wo se ye book no bi de de koma wo na se wonim kan kora minim se ne ba ku school
ya
na o ma ne bankan wo nchire mo nchire no mfa ntoto de ekoso wo be yin se saa na yesi ye pe no a if se nipa bi a hyeda tena se abopo se ekwan sei ne ye pese ye faso na wo mo hu ye bi na meka ayi no saa PNDC lo 111 no ye wade bi wo hodom a obi no ede beto so se o ensuo no a amunani nti na mekoyi niema no firi ho enso no obo bi a na nipa bi ba betwam a wompese wo mu hunu niema no
yiye
ena ma ni yiye ba wo se wo bisa no no wo bekire ma wo anya wo ho ntiase no saa bre no nkofo na bia nko mbe hunu niema na ba beto no wo matwam ko nti odi ahyese ensuo ni mu na ye nti na mekoyi niema mi wa nkofo bi nso twam wonum so nkofo we de wo mu hu saa niema ebi pepepe ne de ekoso wo mu eboa pa fremu niema bi e de aye ne foforo no mo hwese de da bia ye kokofa run mate e wo sire no be vice president ya na ye yi na si nchen no se ya momodena ne ama Bawumia ama ya ye nuanu e wo sire no be ka se ye use wo mu eja wo mu minwa wo mu wo de wo de ne be ye on se Bawumia dina be mu ha
ya
enti ye se fata ye no no a wo mo yes asante obi nya asante ni nchen mi o me se obi nyi wo be se asante range ha obi nya asante ni nchen mi a me mete ye obi nya asante ni nchen obi eti se wo mane champo no papa tena TV so no ye na asante for de na hwam ya na minim de o mo ka e na nipa no bebre so mpa kenkan wo ya wo kan
Franco chirechire mu
ye wo chirechire mu no kra no on se de bia nam kasa apentuo mo wanfo no no na adwene no nkreke ne se nti asem ndrantie yi kan we betimi aye possible na ne admin kope bi na mehwe na de na wo mo aye kasa asem we fu mo ho so beto sa bi obi anka se mukonya ne he ene wo mo so de ma ne ma na wo ma ye na enam so a na kire se we last time ba ku ya kan ya kire se dombu adu ne Francis Cortin mensa be free parliament no ne sa de mani na nyina nam so a eba it is one better ho aye ya asante no ma campaign ya Bawumia no wawie de party na sa akomo na Kuffour ado tifia ba be control a etoje wo mo a mem de sa me maka me se me tia se me wo de opa akoko fa 3 mienu elu prebe inu mkura ka ho me bibia no wekere se metuma ba ma MPP
2024 no
bibia ni ho
but o hwensem a Franco akirechirem dia batwi ya yiyi mu ye na o tena se dwene ho a
say na American me say national interest na yes selfish interest national interest na yes selfish the way ne nipa bi na ahya da trust ya bopo na no aye bo ndie na benya Uso ya yese nana. Uso ya yese nana. Ena baumia. Ya bot baumia di baumia fo ohanya. Kojo pon kroma dinu gom. Kojo pon kroma benya. Edin no wo bo sankofo no nso nyina wo ho. Sankofo no mu nyina wo ho. Ade no mu ba kokora meka se de mu ka no enim.
Ebi nso ya found to so ma nye ho book ni bi.
Enye se ya ma nye ho. Yese wo yire kora no so otimi koka kire mpanyimfo se mi kunu koteso. Na mi kunu be ma so mpanyimfo manim. Etimi ntimi ne na wo hwe na se wo boa yi kire mpanyimfo no. Yi kire mpanyimfo no mu hu se wo yire na nka no kora bi kora no anya mpena. Ene wo boa pade yesa. Eti asem de ntena ho nkase ye mfento so ne ma nye ho. Even trokra ye twan troto so asem ne ye jidi se ebe ye no kore. Eti na be ne ye bo ni dini.
This is in line with protecting the legacy of Nana.
Nana baya. Me mechiri bakure friend na Nana yawo. Na ye me Nana yawo na nti Nana fo na ye Nana mu hwan. Oh, enema na ekoso no it seems say nipa bi fa no say ase eya agudie wo mo fa politics say eya agudie but ebinum politics na wo mo ye e de ageniema bi de agya wo mo nchirima no wo mo nananoma na se baby so last time dia o kan enchire say wo mo be fa asantifo no kakra bi e wo ma be kan wo say de obi nkonko hu na chiri ne nyina ewom it is obehu say yaba be fa na po obehu si akwakofa kwabena Japan asa de na be di animu enum ne ade a yes antira eti we nipa bia wo mo kɔ radio so asese no wo mo pese wo mo de Ashanti region no tale party no kire se ase de yen na wo mbegya ya wo mo nyai na de ne po bia nipa bi wo fa ho no wo mo nya nhuni na wo mo so mpa de sua
book ni mun sam de otimi se eni enya ZITO ya beba so
FRANKO. This is in line with protecting the legacy of Nana. Could enable her to step aside and further alienate Kuffour's fashion in terms of banking. When J.A. Kuffour was the president of the Republic of Ghana, the NPP party was very, very attractive.
Yeah.
If you look at Obi Etise Adubuahi, he ruled the party as a leader for 4 years, 1992 to 1996. If you look at J.A. Kuffour,
94.
Whatever is 94,
94. So
no, MPP for 4 years. Thank you. Now the new patriotic party under Oran Din Ede J. Kuffour ruled the party for almost 12 years. 12 years now. The party was luxurious and mouth-watering. It was lucrative. Obi Oha on the MPP ni Ukraine. The person feels like coming to the new patriotic party. Francis Esiam was a strong cadre, an NDC person, came to the MPP. Hobson Adoye was an NDC person, came to the new patriotic party. Dr. Papa Kwasi Indum, he was a CPP person, came to the new patriotic party. Freddie Blay, obedi national chairman. He was, yes, from Elembele. Then he came to the new patriotic party.
Was the election?
They should bring this kind of ideas. They are going to merge with the new patriotic party. Now, if you read here, there are two people they targeted. Anomia Kuffour camp for, Kuffour fashion for. One, Dr. Papa Kwasi Indum, who is a loyalist to J.A. Kuffour, GN Bank. There is a bank called Sovereign Bank. Sovereign Bank Nofa. Nipa na ene na glyco ene. That man is close to J.A. Kuffour. Very, very close to J.A. Kuffour. So if you look at this kind of sentence, a label to them, I'll explain to you if you get there. Now, or say the biological children.
Yeah.
Biological
children, not just a Bank of Ghana.
Yes. Thank you. Now the president, Nana Addo Kuffour, appoints the governor of the Bank of Ghana. And indirectly, it's not a Bank of Ghana, no biological children. It's a Kuffour's biological children. And they say the president have every right to appoint over 7,000 people to be in various positions. A Kuffour ne boy ECG boss. Only yes, I do opposition the film some a Kuffour because the executive powers naman. And he have to about the man as the president of the Republic of Ghana. Or Kwakosweno, he swore in the name of Ghanaians. So we give him that kind of power, that kind of respect. Now, Kwajo, what's say? Offer. Okay. I don't want to read. Then you the okay. Then I go into it.
Biological children.
Yes.
These are banks in which we should have controlling interests. The collapse of local banks with ties to the opposition NDC and other rival political factions during the cleanup operation undertaken by the mother was a resounding success.
Ofa. Now, Kwajo, let's go back. The DB Kofa Sadi way by a Siaba ye ABA, Yakasa Bank of Ghana, they are going to do restructuring.
Any cleanup exercise.
Now, if you go back, the Bank of Ghana say, or share Ghana for banks books more, and you encourage it. So now, for them to know, say, banks no one more, they have to put their capital limit to 400 million Ghana cedis.
Okay.
I'm going to explain to you. And then Kwajo be a banker, you see a minimum capital.
Okay.
I don't know how Bank of Ghana for so many fund. Now, if they want to see, say, they look at your assets and liabilities. Because the cash and liabilities are a assets is more or less like a revenue. Yes, see a strike is no money in area. A so to me, 400 million Ghana cedis at the said the Bank of Ghana for bound to minimum says your minimum capital need and they raise the cost in a will be needed. Then means you are strong.
Okay.
So they wanted to do a cleanup exercise. One person banks are one more thing, any banks are any more thing. Now take this, Kwajo. Now, if you look at the cleanup exercise, it cost Ghana 25 billion Ghana cedis.
25 billion Ghana cedis. 25
billion Ghana cedis. Now, when it comes to say, Kwajo, you can say a beer, and a year no a year. Kwajo, person read that the women.
Okay.
Banking day.
Banking sector cleanup. Why was a 4 billion cedis problem made to cost taxpayers 25 billion Ghana cedis? Mahama asked.
As my man may be saying, I say, of a chasing you. See, a case ye cleanup exercise now.
Okay.
You better cut 25 billion Ghana cedis.
Okay.
Ye cleanup exercise. Ye imagine. ABS, okay, your fa ABS ambassador, ye solid TV and boom, ye BCBG, yes, thank you for. But see, a case we are trying to revamp them. Everyone said they're in a distress moment. One, because of Ghana for banks, and we believe in helping the indigenous Ghanaian. We believe in making sure Spít Ghana for.
Okay.
Why don't revamp no? This can say 4 billion.
By a good 25 billion.
25 billion.
There's a 4 billion problem. No?
Yes.
About the cost taxpayers, 25 billion.
But they had a plan. Now, Mugu banks offer. Omadian Koso said, what is going to be the unemployment rate in Ghana? Nipa na nipa who di boni a nyankopon ma won nsa nyaadwen abetum dia solve problems o because boni na wudi no boni na wudi nyankopon okofa so expose you. Now if you look at the banking cleanup exercise, it created around 3,000 unemployment people.
Banking sector,
I'm telling you, 3,000.
Na pa kwasi ndum kwa ne banks
no, it goes into cottages and villages. It goes into metropolis. Thank you, Father. And to talk about me, it tells you every village and cottage. Let's not forget, if Indum was even employing only 10 people with all the branches, how many kind of employment they were creating? But because they want to do this kind of plan, they are not thinking about the ordinary Ghanaian. They are not thinking about the welfare of Ghanaians. But they are thinking about their own personal interest. And they are going to execute this plan. Over.
It facilitated the flow of substantial financial resources into our war fund through backflow of some of the advertised cleanup costs. The NDC
has been... So, kasa oya revamp, 4 billion. Kasa oya cleanup exercise, 25 billion. Over. How no person mo chere? One person just said 25 billion. And then you know, you cleanup exercise. Skani bia ka kire mom de akwakoto baabi. Ti asemi ye cleanup exercise na 25 billion over ti. Ye revamp na 4 billion. But bia o kan mo pa kire say 25 billion. Enye ni nyina ne de cleanup exercise no.
Abafa nyomo di share free.
Omo na mo interest wo no. E be ma ba say because the 12 billion pen ye. Dia ka no it is in their coffers. And to call you the word of a bit, the word of a common or war fund, and I'm a boy.
Resources into war fund through.
Thank you.
War fund.
Of a war fund.
Back through.
Thank you. Scano. Account, no, they've labeled to be a war fund. War fund, and they say they are going to use this money as a war to fight people and get what they want to achieve. Clean up, no, a cost 13 million. Yena, dear Japadiano, $12 million. $12 million will come as some to 12. A sense of a war fund, we can use it to fight against any person we want to use it to fight against.
Because we have money.
Because we have money. And see, the bibini catch was a war funder. We're calculating here who's about to war funding or the baby. So they can still sit at home and control the banking sector because of the war fund.
Also, the NDC has been poor incoherently and consistently demanding detailed accountability and audit of the fund spent.
What your more? Professor Mochani say the NDC has not been responsible. The NDC has not able to convince Ghanaians. NDC for him to mean Chechi Magana for him who say clean up exercise. No, it's gonna be crack actually. That is why Don Dramani Mama will question say, why do you have to do a cleanup that will cost 25 billion? Why about you can revamp for 4 billion?
No, so none who he walk.
Thank you. And NDC for no. Because in they lack communicators and they don't have people who can do empirical research and bring out the data, the requisite data. No, MPP for no more hana mo ya mafias ne say e ho do mawie because o manya NDC nyansa ni bia mana ma church mama Ghana for antiase. Me di boni na medi no because am dey shen krata and ya before yam pese be kinkan no fa. Thank you. NDC for no yes some responsible opposition. I so mutimi read ade na ti ade na say they should able to expose NPP for no. Almost kan ade na almost on ti ade na sentia for yehudi. So the money is in the war fund and we are ready for a battle. Wow.
See, the process further led to the establishment of Consolidated Bank Ghana. Currently, a wholly owned government of Ghana Bank, and our process are well praised to take controlling interest when the bank is eventually returned to private ownership.
Thank you. What's your moha? Or you don't person much in your say. It says a yen CB Genis Anoma. The government of Ghana, headed by Nana Addo Kuffour, has taken total control of the banking sector. The banking sector in Janova. They say because of the governor, and it's Anoma. Kuffour has taken total control. In terms of accounting, say cast a proxies of a authority.
Okay.
Proxies, a authority.
Okay.
And now they've taken total control and authority of the banking sector. A bedroom maybe no. They will give it to private people, and they know the kind of private people they are going to give it to.
Zito. O kaina eja. Ba wo so bi na me
The edi kan MPP na constitution say so wo ba aban mu a.
Okay.
Wo so wo ma enipa adwuma ye. Na de wo kokko ye no. E me enipa na adwuma ye ya na say kokogu adwuma.
Okay.
It's 18 ana.
Constitution na. Okay.
Article 2 section 18 wo Franco wo so kan no man kasema bom tiri.
Article 2 section 18.
To solve the grave problem of massive unemployment and to provide for all who are capable the opportunity and the means of earning a living, either by the way of self-employment or as employees in various undertakings.
So when we no was ade we na wo mo ye na banks bi egugu ye no ne ade no. A solve unemployment situation na sa fe be create.
Well, I create because I know my friends be 8 no mo GN bank so mo tifie.
Na ye kan Dr. Pakwasi Ndu. Ne ho no contractor fo bebiri kokɔgye iska.
Okay.
Say bank na gu. Say aban no kura kotua sika ma contractor fo na wo kɔhwehwɛ ne he na wo de sika akɔma. Ɛna sɛ wona mo awo su no.
Yesi wone bawomi ahia. Wone ala na ahia no ne mahama nso ahia.
Say wo pagefo.
Pero wetimi agye no.
Wono so ye campaign ya ayi don mama. No MPP pa Dr. Pakwasi Ndu. No MPP pa because Kuffour time kra no. Omo man no.
He was a minister.
Yes.
Let's see from CPP say why or they will say omo man minister.
Even a cabinet minister.
Okay.
Cabinet.
Afedi kokko wi ase se hwe. Ne nan ne sensen ho. Oh, it is a base ya ne ye ka say sa political parties no. Sem ya no ma me ansesa ye nsa. Ne kokko yes aye wo mitu mu meto aba me boba dum ne ade na enipa bi ahyeda bopo ato o mutirim na se mu ba bebra wo wu se mo so mpafin yɛmfo ɔman no ma mo na maama ɛsɛe no yɛmfo ɔman no ma mo na maama ɛsɛe no afei deɛ kyerɛ sɛ momo deɛ ɛpo a mabɔ no deɛ kyerɛ sɛ ɔmo ba bɛfo ɔman no deɛ yɛ wɔn agyapadeɛ yɛ akyerɛ sɛ bɛduru baabi no institution bi a wɔn nipa na wɔ hɔ wobɛkɔ kɔɔto wobɛdi fɔ woso wɔ fa ha buei woso dɛ kyerɛ sɛ yɛn nom deɛ wobɛyɛ sɛ atɛntirihuo no mframa no bɔ a ne de wokɔ ha mframa no bɔ a ne de wokɔ ha eti ɛto gyeɛ nea so ɔm si still a yɛ de friend sɛ NPP kala ɛkɔkɔ party ɛkɔkɔ fa boba ho no ɔmbɛto aba ama no a wɔn nkɔtoma no sɛm dɛ me ka me sɛ ɛda a wɔn bɛdi bi ɛyɛ nwona yɛ nyina nso deɛ bɛka bi ahwɛ me we
But ohwɛ baabi na Franco kyerɛ about say NDC fo ntimi ankyerɛ nsɛm no mu yie ankyerɛ Ghana fo nti no akwete sɛ yafa yɛ ho adi deɛ yɛ nyina
wɔn sɛ adeɛ ne fa wɔn ase sɛ obi na abɔ ne pɔ no wɔyɛ enti wo nim inside the pad watimi aba bɛka bi saa nɛteɛ ɛno an sɛ wɔn sɛ banks yi wɔn mu hia sika bi a wɔ sɛ ɛno wɔn hwɛ na nya akɔsɛ de bank yɛka bi abom na hwan wɔn nso na tumi no wɔn wɔn Kuffour Addo no ne nkɔfo wɔn na tumi wɔn deɛ ɔno wɔbɛka sɛ wɔn yɛ no wɔn yɛ ɛna wɔn mu nso nim sɛsɛ enipa bi abɔpɔ bi sɛ ɛhyɛ baabi ebi agɔm hyɛ daa kɔ mu deep but no wɔn mu nim eti bi a free saa abire no no ɛna ndeɛ well
but a bad day na ZITO abanya or babia na hwɛ yamanyofo a I don't think say since the year 2000 amani me hu politics mu kakra na de me hu abanya waba on promise say obi create adwuma ama the youth but aban betimi ahye dem abopɔ say yenso ye collapse adwuma na ma youth no nya unemployment ana say nya unemployed ana
wonim me say ya ye gyina ye te he say ye pagi ani say na the whole Ghana nyina hu say bonsam kura na firi soro beti asifum nipa bi di nachi enti ma we ne nya wo nwanwa adwene ye wo nipa tirim no wo said de ebi na hu say ya na meka so no ala nkyeremate na say wa hwene boni nti boni om didi ni nyina wa hu na kire
okay
ne delegates for the pampam wo mu firi ayi mu ne saa we mu kwabren Japan no firi na ki we mu nyina kire no hu say opa akodi ala echi ana opa agya na kire die beje tumi
okay
enti wo mo no wo ho no ma enwene se de wo tie no saa na obi atie enyu obi ade betimi aye se de wo tie nti wo se wo ya alert enti we na ye po no obi atra dem no wabɔ ne po na minim nti Lawrence wu ye no wo mo ante se Lawrence ye wu se wo de mo ye nyina ba mu nti saa mo nkɔfo a mo ye nti mo nya ho
se omo o hwebu kan bu ma omo wo nchirima
wo mo anim so wo mbewu no wo de gya wo mo nchirima ɔman no ne even party no korampo no a se wo nya fo mo akuadɔnkɔ ne party no nya TV ye se kora wo kokɔgye certificate na ba ba yi wo man na gyapade ɛno nti no no a wa wo ntimi nhyɛ wo so enya ade bi a wa wo fu so opɛ e bɛka kyɔ sɛ de wo ye ti amra no ɛno nti no obi anso wo ho kwan so otimi ba bɛdɔm but se ne de wo mo fa kwan bi so ayɛ ma se position bi a sa nkɔfo no e de bɛkɔ akɔda no nti wo sɛm bi a wo de bɛba bia no wo de ba kwa wo bɛhwɛ ma de aba na sɛ ayi madam for magistrate bi wo sɛ emre bi a ya hɛ no ya fiti ho wo sɛ emre bi a ya hɛ bi ya fiti ho nti so pɛ sɛ wo fa tokuro mu odwane a wo bɛka ma ade akye na wa pe baby tokuro ne da no pa na nipa no kɔ wo be kyerɛkyerɛ mu nso mu obi wo hɔ bia tiase eso no no an wo pɛ so gya because emra no say wa no a wote asɛm no so kra no asɛm no say na wo hu no ɔpɔ de emra no aka no agye nyina wo so wadwene yɛ sɛ wo hu ne say
okay
so enti madam fo no ka kyerɛ bi sɛ ɔmo kɔkɔkyerɛ ebi a sɛ police fo akɔkyerɛ nkɔfo bi wo base ɔmo nyina ba ba gyina no no ate wa no wo hwem ɔso obi wo hɔ ɔbɔ hu so wo su ebi a okosra obi
na abefra no
obi nso ho no afie wo mu bunu pa wo mu ni kyese ha no se nkofo bete no osi ni nyina wo gina ho na wo hwe na we mu no de wo mu de wo ma hye da trase no wo ma wediri abopo na ye po no wo ma bo no so me se asem dansini ni ho a no atwa
bi ya danse
de ekeka koro no se ye betumi aba beteno mo Nana Kuffour Addo no ma na kokofa aba umi abae eno no nko atimi ahwa ya sesa chemen sambosu no se no ene ehitandi region titu wa
ya MPC na se fo
abo MPC na no mo ma ye campaign ama no ma na wene Nidini ene hemu no. So mbekwa akoto aba na omonkoto man.
Franco,
Kwajo.
young queen.
Now, even of our biological children, or say these are banks in which we should have controlling interest. The collapse of the local banks with ties to opposition and other rival political factions. Now, J.A. Kuffour is a political rival faction to Kuffour.
Okay.
J. Kuffour.
Former president. NPP.
Yes,
yeah.
They want to isolate him.
Okay.
Okay. After the exit of Kuffour. So everything we say, Kuffour. Now, Kwajo, banks which were in bed with J.A. Kuffour,
okay.
Sovereign Bank,
okay.
GN Bank.
Okay.
Let me start with the GN Bank.
I think it's a GN Bank.
Yes.
Yeah, my GN Bank. Yes.
GN Bank. The main motive, and they say, Dr. Papa Kwasi Indum is not in bed with Uriah Fene and Nana Addo. Second, if Indum becomes powerful through money, Indum can fight us.
Okay.
So we should have a plan. Plan, no. Yankasabe executive plan. You be used to them Indum, but Indum no know. The neighbor ban was not yet too late.
Sir.
Yes, and I'm going to explain to you. Now, Nana Addo say year of rules.
Yeah, I think 2017.
Year
of rules. They
created an impression some person ya kwan bebre wo Ghana. Now open nipa ba kwan he believes in the Ghanaian business. Indigenous business people. We are Ghana for. I want to support and help them.
Okay.
And if you look at social security, go social security.
Yeah.
And the GN bank now. For every bank to run, and the bank bet market they give out credit facilities.
Yeah.
Me, my year no dream as a head of communication in market.
Okay.
Bank.
Okay.
That year being branch of yam for 1 Ghana city grant. Yes. Customers need deposit on the bedroom. And you run it. And my bank be
okay.
So for every bank to run, bank or yes or your credit facility. And on the interest whom demand.
Okay.
Or the man at the Koya Juma. Also catch us on also your investment. But now I say for a cabin 3 months. 3 months number 15% interest.
Okay.
Who is kind of man? Also the quack bubbles and the quack or
30%.
whereby there is a delay. Then the panel and I so or the loan facility in the bank, it affects the bank.
Because in the particular be in the
a loan facility interest in the basel. Even you did your work, you did your light bill, you did operational costs, you daily management issues, any day. So we better send the free bank, not deliberately. When I saw on person will be clear or have bank. Me quite no good mofa. Doma uko krebiso e froko baby kofi baduko. Kofi baduko e boa keke si wo. E hono is hono gina ho a ultra bo na ukola Cote d'Ivoire. O ba ni se wa bagana. Obi timi be je bosia. O ba be chena. Na kwa ko gina bo wa tra Cote d'Ivoire. This what the police interpret na ko chino. Because you are moving from one jurisdiction to another jurisdiction. That is the mindset of Ghanaians. Ghana fodo do na pe bosia bobo mu mpetua.
Na we do wa wusi kakra mo adam for kra no. Chiro woni ne ya aka.
Thank you as watching. So the NPP had a plan. I don't know where. They told the road contractors, they say, Nipa Bakwan or Ghana businessmen for the Amokones, they say, Abanyiniska.
Yeah.
Mumfa Musika pre-finance. Money, yeah. Yes, I can't scare the money, but how we are going to deal with it, they say, your best will say, what the ABA, money Dr. Papa Kwasi Indum, because he believes in the Ghanaian person.
Okay.
Mokwa, Obama Mulu. O mamu loan mo de be kwa ye adwuma but our plan is say mo kokoji loan na ye ntua ska no emfa mo they are very simple. They are not going to give you the money, but they are telling you to go for loan from GN Bank.
Kojo contractor for aban we dey wo mo kan.
Oh yeah, say me so
wo ba na wo so ba be kan.
Me me be
ye after sa be yakwaje bisia ya ye keka 740 million yi nom ne billion ya ye keka kan. Se contractor for the die nyina akora so esan ba me hu se eye ka da ho no a
Edwadwo
usom ni kama na wo dwane
ejadem no kasa yi contractors at the GN Bank for ka any Go securities 7.1 billion Ghana cedis.
7.1 billion Ghana cedis.
No ofanya million
convert ya
na hey 7 trillion
asam ne yakan 7.1 billion Ghana cedis. Dr. Papa Kwasi Indum, and you see the smart aspect. Now I tell who say credit facility na monfo ntimi metuano and conform to this particular document will have a nice way to report the GN Bank to the Bank of Ghana. So go and look at the books of GN Bank.
So qualify, sir.
Thank you. if they are strong to be in the market.
Yes, we are more discerning now.
So woman in the yaye. Say be the yaye.
And you know, Dr. Papa was Indu. He is a Kuffour fashion over here. Sledgehammer, yeah, they are born because we needed him. We wanted to meet him. And the Quadro, he won't know. Sovereign Bank.
Okay.
Nipa na Sovereign Bank also a close ally to a friend J. Kuffour.
Okay.
Nidi other Dr. Kwame Echamponche, owner of Germany Life Company Limited, Glyco.
Okay, Glyco. Yeah.
Of a problem, a Papa will come. Data Bank and Prudential Bank. No more books were worse than this particular bank. Books, it was worse. And I'll tell you the reason why they didn't close Data Bank, any Prudential Bank. I'll tell you today, relax. Kwajo, Papa, we. The problem when you say you send the books, no, are fictitious, are fraudulent. Fictitious and fraudulent. They say, quite fast or raising capital is illegal.
Okay.
But if you go in deep, a J. Kuffour, they don't want any Kuffour person to be powerful. So Kuffour be powerful. They can still fight the action. So to play it safe, come as a bit more fire powerful. This only is. Another Kwajo, yet he was coming to my command.
Oh yeah. So it's Ghana have
what does it? What does it? My candy open beer. But so Niska one minute. See the be a bema J Kuffour meremon.
Okay.
And Kuffour and Kobit Maka be or call for campaign and Nipa be call for campaign. Okay, ZITO is coming from the Kuffour block of action.
Yeah.
So be general secretary of the New Patriotic Party. Ebia call Sovereign Banga.
Yeah.
Famidin call and I'm the letter mouth and I'm a place call. Ako Kwame ZITO ba or person corporate general secretary be boy nyina maniska manifanko campaign. So the buyer sano money nyina be season to play it safe. You have to lock him up. You have to downgrade him. And to cause it to work rather because he attorney bank or your MPP new. He's an NPP person in opposition. Or your MPP but opposition because of J. Kuffour. Uti has almost NDC banks. NDC banks, the first bank we targeted was Heritage Bank. Then you Unibank. In India. Of a pedia checks and pedia reports. NDC can for Heritage Bank.
Okay.
NDC go and check Kokobo opening scar or pass it through Heritage Bank. Unipa de Nidia. Say to Agungu. He is a true NDC. Omano can hold Fatima Adamu and a Sargo Limited. Some Kuffour true NDC. So in terms of banking, you have to be company law, you have to be lifting of veil. And then you may. Ebia with Marcus Ebia there be a ZITO was. What makes you say be ZITO there? But if you shareholders now, ZITO is not even part of the shareholders.
Yeah.
And in terms of company law, say lifting of veil. Across what share about person what you lifting veil and ban any year. And if you lifting veil, then you who the owners of the company.
Yeah.
And to a lifting veil no more kai in Kuffour Heritage Bank. 2014, the 1st January, mom provisional license. Universal, your mom on the 4th of October 2016. But you show, and this is can be a group beyond a heritage. And yet, Dabi, and Kuffour young for plan be paid no man free war. There will be a problem. So we can say almost no, they are doing illegal activities in terms of banking. We close it down. How can say you're saying, Kuffour has been a governor. Kuffour has been a minister of finance.
What's a bank in Ukraine more?
The bank, you know, AG award twice so 3 consecutive period as the best bank in Ghana. CIMD4 a year this kind of awards.
Unibank,
no the man. Also no, see a giant pass and the bank needs to run. We are also going to have problem with them because we should still be able to control the NDC from home. And the NDC, and you're crying to alphabet or mobile sociality for funds because can you? If you stay in opposition for 8 years, there's no businessman who want to do business with you. And of our what I say, and Kwajo, what has the Musi here, a hornet here. Now, Kwajo, of Abuanoha, I want you to read this. Then, memo of them. Offer. Was it the
Ghana Amalgamated Trust?
Thank you.
Received 800 million Ghana cedis.
Yes.
From
government
to ensure that ADB, Prudential Bank, Universal Merchant Bank, NIB, and Omni BSIC Bank were able to meet the maximum capital requirements set out by the Bank of Ghana. These banks are either government banks, ADB and NIB, in the main, have friendly ownership.
Yes.
That notwithstanding, our local and international partners are ready to able to take over government stake arising from the 800 million injection.
Thank you. Ye ka se Ghana Amalgamated Trust offer a fund I the tour. We give to indigenous Ghanaians. What be a bank, what be a company be. Now insolvency be someone said the government of Ghana can decide be a lot of workers or a lot of employees. A company anymore, it is going to affect people. Unemployment because so this is a special fund set up for Ghanaian businesses. But these people had a plan. Wow. The Tiana say, if you look at banks or ADB offer a bank. Prudential Bank is an owner. Nipa yene deni ya achimni. Prudential Bank achimni. Prudential Bank oma ye MPP papa in opposition before. Oma ye MPP papa in opposition. In the akwa say ene wa boa me. Wa cham so ba power. What problem me say me boa. Kwado na mo aka ya I don't want to do the reading today. Where ye Prudential Bank omo letterhead omo say
omo say payment of overdraft facility of Ghana 1.5 million Ghana cedis demand notice.
Thank you. Kwade the one person mo kan nyina say in opposition the new patriotic party offer they were having difficulties in running their campaign. No want to mean day to day running. Things were difficult for them. Nana Addo Kuffour any cabinet Japan pola for komunto kwani nyina yes adi. The NPP Nana Addo Kuffour at the NPP ekwakoje bosen the Free Prudential Bank at the NPP headquarters this year without the preview knowledge of the executives and the party executives nankasa no munim de Kuffour makwakoye omoto abani wiye no and a Bank of Ghana for letter to come up Prudential Bank for say they want to come and do auditing at their firm.
Okay.
They want to know their true state of nature and don't be so much.
Okay.
And when a ma Prudential Bank for so tray and the comma MPP for say no na mbeji free with an interest no Bank of Ghana for so mo ba check your books so it's better mo for isi kamre ikwajo was say a focus administration should pay 1.5 million Prudential Bank loan say John a focus a Japan and the Prudential Bank myth.
Okay.
So it tells you say Prudential Bank and your MPP for papa way back. For me, that's why I make what I papa. Now Prudential Bank is going into solvency. Prudential Bank, there is a problem. The NPP will prefer doing business with Prudential Bank. It's amalgamated money offer. They are not going to look at people and other banks who are hailing in helping Kuffour fashion. But more moti Kuffour no man say. And offer adeba a surprising they say nipa na no a friend minister for finance and he didn't Ken Oforiata or say onu ni dimu no de kwaje bosian ti asemi bi the dimu no de kwaje bosian e the Free Prudential Bank for
ho e support NPP
internet nipa na he controls the Bank of Ghana as the finance minister nipa na the president Kuffour kwaje bosia the free one. Now they are in bed with the Prudential Bank. The Prudential Bank for years can ask the NPP is ready to give to them at the expense of this kind of people.
Franco, Medasi, Zito, before you be the next topic, you know, Franco actually, I think say you be share that kumu pa because I say near percent say about the media, no
media,
but
you be minimum so be minimum for we na fe don Zito. Where you Ecoba,
yeah,
for the assembly you say. We have true rules of entry into this institution.
Yeah.
First is through Senate, which has a seat of the board of EcoBank by virtue of its shareholding.
Okay.
The seat is occupied by the Director General of
Senate.
In phase 2 of our agenda, of a TDino, Kofi Bosompim Osafo, who is a Deputy Director of Senate, should be made Director General to give him a seat on the EcoBank board. Secondly, the wife of Ace and Kuma is the group head of the commercial bank and member of the executive management of the EcoBank. Of a Tiasamo, Niduyamanu Kwajoti. Director General of EcoBank directly comes on the Senate board.
Okay.
We are Director General of EcoBank, a robust Senate board. Now to play it very smart, the Director General, or no was Senate, or catch them who took my US of for them to achieve this kind of each document on person way. Or what US no, and I could father phone him, rank him and tell him say he should go on leave. But in a way, Nejuma no be ye no. because this is a manner where disciplinarian.
Yeah.
I did be on person mu ye biano. He's not giving them the way, so they have a problem with him. Sandia nipa ba ko ajapade document we what I say here is coming from the Eastern Bloc. Ayo osafomafo. Osafomafo so ba. Obetima ye adwuma very simple. Ko chake nipa oye Director General of Senate.
Eye Kofi Bosompem Osafo Mafo.
Eye osafomafo ba. Tama mo twe book we no. No osafomafo ba ne di na ono kwanya Director General. Just ma make catch on. No nya Director General of Senate, no nya deputy. But for them to achieve what they want to get. Me say, ena me no ka say.
Na say book ni liki ye nyina no emu nsam no mu implementation e koso.
Oh nanka.
Kwajo
So guso a
April 10th, 2024. One kasa kan o say
President Kuffour EXPÓЩÈÉ appoints Kofi Bosompem Osafo Mafo as the new Senate boss.
thank you. And way na juma kese po mo da yaman ne say. Bana waban. He should try to identify people who are coming from the Eastern Bloc who believes in this cardinal principle of AGYAPADE documents. Any property they want from Senate, give it to them. That is why Brian Champon, the near Brea or the Rock City, Ghana Senate, and they have hotels. This is a confirmation.
Zito, so last message now you move you encore campaign promises. I think say next week nanki aye
yeah. The woman say if we are na ye wo ebo ofiri soro ba obi ade nsakatent so enya ade aye wo ha ni ate se bo abo nchansin so a memedi me sabe kata wutire ho wa bra eti meme de ye ne a ya siso a ye bo bra se obi anwene ne ho na de urban se ye nuanum bi ante ase the best way, the simplest way, the shortest way ya ebema sa ade ewu nyina emem ne enim se o ma hihye ade aduru ba bi de betimi adwere gu anse ba obi abelusu so when it dia any
one in bank they cause dividends na just say do maturity period
sikano
awa obetimanya bia enwa imire adwene bom
it is the only thing I say obia baby awo obia ye nyina ye nke humu
okay
na sa NPP we ne de if you say said na ensem bia na ye hu na dubu ahentam be hu no Kuffour no tam say na sesa ideologies party menu can say constitutional yinum aims and objectives no bibia na enya adwuma biem ene hwan ye kwa kofa na adwuma agire se wo ye party bi panyin bi akora no the protocol akọ it is also to fie na any protocol bi na de also beto aba meboba kokoto meboba ne kom de wa benipa ho se kom de
wow abusia nyame boa next week yeshia ye the part 2 of AGYAPADE no ye beko about the media no na yakwa kohwemu asem